What is up, guys? All right. Let me ping everybody in the Discord. How's my audio? Sure. SSD. Can you hear the game okay? What's up, ladies? Sorry, I have dyslexia. All right. Can somebody in chat? Yeah, I don't know what the deal that is. I don't know how that happened. I did just stream for that long. That's the honest truth. I streamed for 2 billion years 5 minutes ago. It was pretty good. Can you guys hear me okay? And can you hear the game? How's the oh wait, I could totally just listen myself. I don't know. Can you hear can somebody that's the honest truth. I streamed for 2 billion years 5 minutes ago. It was pretty good. Can you guys hear me? Okay, it's kind of loud. All right, hold on. See about that. All right. Game's a bit loud. Yeah. All right. All right. Hopefully that's good. What are we gonna do today? So many things. The game is broken and it will be. Alright. Alright. Okay, I think it's a pretty good loudness. Hold on, wait, let me turn it down just a tiny bit more. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. Alright. Guys. I've been spending like the past week doing like the most slop work. Every single like animation. I don't know if you saw my awesome short. Had to be like moved into its own file. Like, oh my god, it was so much work. Basically like every single. Yeah, look, if I open up. Shocking. Like the every like equipment. Animation moved into its own file. I have like animation, like the humanoids linked in here. So if I ever like change anything, like the skeleton, I could easily update it by just adjusting the library. Anyways, this isn't that important, but it took me a long time, and now I can easily add new animations. 'Cause before it would just like. Dude, Unity would just break, and I'd have to relaunch it whenever I edited the arms or the main humanoid animation file. Anyways, pretty hype. What else did I do? Oh, I like that muzzle flash. New muzzle flash. There's a lot of people complaining it was too like opaque, and they couldn't really like see what they were shooting when they were aiming for it. I think it's a lot better now. Alright. Wait, do you animate on the bones or do you have controls? I have like a couple controls. I mean like I have IK. Yeah, so there's like a hand bone here that gets targeted to that, and then this is IK'd. I can move this. Pretty neat. Yeah, that's just like the standard standard thing. When is the next alpha? Probably soon. I was thinking about releasing one since I was doing all this animation crap. I don't really like. There isn't really any new content, but yeah. Maybe I'll release it today. Who knows? I kind of want to. I want to get a couple more things in because I don't think there's that many changes. Please add a pop it says diving out of a wall run is possible. Yeah, true. I think like most issues like that would just be fixed by making the level like longer and like the parkour more like progressive. You know, like starting off with just wall running and then having to do a wall run and dive. But the level's just not like long enough. Just got an ad? Good. It gets me like 5 cents. Thank you. Oh hey illiterate. What is that? Alright. Let's get started. Enough tomfoolery. Yeah. Okay, yeah, these two are kind of connected. Let's get these over with. Right now, I'm instantiating the muzzle flash every time, and that's really stupid. I should be able to just, like, reuse it. So, we do that. Okay, time to turn off the ad blocker. Yeah! Please change the help command, because it... Oh, yeah, it, like, cuts off, right? I think that's a... You mean like this, right? I think I just need to make this scrollable. Yeah. Okay. No more reading the chat. I need to work. God. Alright. Really great commit message there. Okay. So the issue right now is that like I have like sub-state machines. So it's like a state machine that runs inside of a state machine. That would be like the attack. Right, that's an example of one. But the issue is that every time, like for other states, it doesn't like remake the state every time. But for sub-state machines, it does. And that's kind of stupid. Like it shouldn't need to. But if I go here, yeah, on enter in the sub-state machine, it's creating it here, which this is stupid. Like it should be able to create it on a constructor. The issue is, pretty sure I tried that and it broke a lot of things. Funny words, funny man. Thank you. Alright. That's a good, pretty good comment there. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna break everything. I don't need this. Don't need you. You're gonna be buying any of the new Steam hardware? Dude, I had a Steam Deck at one point, and then I sold it immediately because I didn't really need it. But it would be nice to be able to play Partizan on Steam Deck. The only thing is it has a lot of controls, like especially like inventory and menus. Oh my god, like that would be so annoying to set up. Where you add a gravity gun type weapon. Maybe. The thing is, I feel like throwing already kind of covers everything that a gravity gun would do. There we go. All right. Why? Oh. Shit, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work. I think it should. Yeah. I think gravity gloves would be even sicker. True. I already have like the left hand like holding. It would be kind of annoying if you had to swap over to another weapon. Really? Okay. All right, guys. Never mind. That was like way easier than I thought. I need to make sure that this is actually working. Hopefully that's not being fired off a bunch of times. Dude. Okay, nice. Yeah, and then it's getting created every time the weapon gets equipped. Okay, that's fine. Let me make sure that it's actually being destroyed too. I think it should. Oh, that's not good. Plus 5 cents, Spanky. Freaky Titsky, always. Why? Okay. That's kind of the worst. Maybe it just needs to be recompiled. Oh, yeah, okay. Is the latest source code? No. I'm not giving you my source code. What do you think I am? I don't know, maybe. I kind of rather not do that when somebody tries to sell it. That would suck. Do you guys want me to like play music? Is that even allowed? Oh, okay, it's totally working. Awesome. Okay, wait. So with that done, the issue is I wasn't able to let me put on my glasses so I don't fucking stare at my screen like an old man. Where my glasses even go. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Check it out within my jammies. Oh, my glasses are. Only this bed. Okay. I'll be back, guys. All right. 18 viewers. If you play music, try some Black Mesa music. Is that copyrighted? Does that matter? Can I play copyrighted music? Am I gonna get banned? Okay. Let me play some Black Mesa music. It's a game soundtrack. I think that's fine. Is this good? Modern lounge beats. You know what? No, I feel like I'm gonna get overstimulated. Sorry, guys. No music. Alright. God, stop distracting me. You guys are so annoying. Okay. So, the issue is this was being destroyed, so I couldn't just like store a monthly flash. But This should not be destroyed anymore, I don't think. So I should be able to do that. And then not make it temporary. And arm destroy. Okay. Silence from the chat, I guess. Do you want me to play music? How many of you guys want that? If I see 3 people say they want music, I'll play music. Add more interactive environments like traps, etc. Yeah, sure. You said we're distracting you? Yeah. Stop. Music, yes? Okay. You know, sure. Let me find something. God. YouTube classics. Let's put on some jazz. This AI. Fucking. Wow. Alright. You know, it'll do. Okay. Fuck. Alright. That's not good. Why is this being destroyed? Now why are we doing that? I don't think that needs to be a thing. Okay. We make stealth better? Yeah, probably. It's kind of, yeah, it is kind of ass right now. V folders, V hierarchy. I haven't heard of that. Is that for like this, like for Unity? Right, don't get back up. Dude. Come on, Valve. They're copying me. They've always been. New candy of the day is Tic Tacs. my promise to you is every new stream out, I'm bringing you candy. Last time was pink gum, Tic Tacs, and slop selection blackberry water. Imagine being that smart that you name your script shoot attack instead of shooting. Is that smart? Dude, this is the dumbest class name ever. The difference between shoot attack and attack is like muzzle flash and like doing like a revolver cylinder. I think this is pretty horrible name convention. I don't really know what to call it though. That's gonna be shoot attack. And then watch this, you have to shoot projectile attack. And that's where you actually get like a bullet. Yeah, I know. I'm really good at log messages. Okay. Up. Up. Why you have fun instead of WIs? I don't know. I don't know what WIs is, man. What? Oh. Why would I do that? What? Okay. Will there be a fourth team of enemies? Maybe. How many hours would you say you worked on this game? Man, it's been like 3 or 4 years. Or no, I think it's been 4 years. So like well over like 10,000 maybe. I don't know. It'll be kind of cool to get like a Unity tracker to see just how many hours I'm putting into it. Just know whatever amount of money I'm gonna make off of Partizan, I'm gonna be paid less than minimum wage. But that's alright. Because I'm having fun. This is not fun right now, though. Fuck. Okay. This might actually not work. Damn. Why did it take you so long? Honestly, I mean, like, I was learning a lot while making it. Like, if I had, like, my current, skill level, then it would maybe take me, like, a year if I really tried. Which really sucks to say, but, like, man, the amount of stuff I've rewritten or remade, like, that's probably at least just 2 years of remaking stuff. So, yeah. Okay. I think this is over. At least I don't really want to do this right now. So, first one of the day. Let's put this into to do. Yeah. All right. What to do? Could do that. Do a bit of UI work. And should be easy. Okay. Pretty happy with this list. Okay. Shouldn't have to press enter to change sensitivity. That should be pretty easy. I keep trying not to. Alright. What does partisan mean? Freedom fighter. Will there be character customization like changing the glove color or something? Probably. It would be pretty easy to do. Because base color is like white and then I just like I tint it yellow. So I wouldn't be too hard to implement. Same thing with the UI. It's all defined in one spot, so I can easily change it. Okay, I'm gonna remove this guy for right now. What's the website you use to keep track of your project? I mean, like GitHub? I guess GitHub. I run my my own Git server locally. Although everything's on my computer, which like, isn't good. I should have it somewhere, like uploaded in case all my hard drives fail. But I don't. I at least have it like across 2 hard drives right now. So like if one fails, it's not that bad. But it would be really bad if I lost my computer somehow. Okay. The issue is if I do that, yeah, that is bad. Okay. When's Partizan 2 coming? Hopefully soon. Maybe like a month. Wow. Wow, that UI is horrible. Okay. That works. Cool. No. Multiplayer? I don't know. That'd be cool, but man, multiplayer is like really hard to do, I'm pretty sure. I haven't done it. But guessing. You know, Partizan might not be like that hard to implement it. Since everything's like pretty generic. Like I don't have a lot of things that are like you know, like player oriented. Like when enemies are looking for awareness objects, for example, like they could be aware of multiple players at the same time. So like they would react to multiple players pretty well, I think. If I did this. Oh. 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 Anyways, this guy can fight both of us like together pretty well. If you imagine this guy was another player. Okay, maybe it's not perfect. Had an option mix printing automatic. Yeah, sure. I had that on my to-do. Okay, back to actually now we're already done. Who is it? Shouldn't have to press enter. Boom. Show which inventory tab is selected. Okay, that shouldn't be too hard, I think. Yeah, I mean, this UI is just garbage. There's like a couple of things I need to fix here. Yeah, and the next build, when I do release it, hopefully like within, I'll say like a week or something. If there's any animation bugs, do let me know, because all the animations were like reassigned in the engine and some of them had to be remade because they were just like broken in Blender. Anyways, should make the centered actually. Okay. I want these to kind of look like hopefully not. I want them to kind of look like a fake like OS, which I think the fancy buttons I made, honestly, like, it should look pretty good. Whoa, what's happening? What? Okay, bro. How's that? What? Why? Okay, I guess this is weird fit. I don't know why the UI is like stretching like that. It's using like a sliced up sprite. Oh, there we go. How's the load save system work? Yeah, just JSON, and then I have no clue if the way I'm doing it is like best, but I just have like a save object thing, and then for example save game object. Oh yeah, there's another thing, persistent GUIDs. Could add these, and then it checks across every other GUID in the scene to make sure it's like, you know, there's only one of each. And then with that and addressables, to actually load like different assets. I don't know if this is helping at all. There's a lot. Yeah, I mean, you could just kind of see save object, and then inside get some data. This is just like a position thing. And it just does all that stuff on load. Using HDRP. No, URP. Demo is looking peak. I'm glad you don't have to press enter. Down stump me. Sweet. Inventory size upgrade? Maybe. Just remembered, if your last save was in another map, and you died in another map, it will teleport you to the other map. Like, if you save in one map, go into another map, and then load, like, yeah, it'll load you back at the one that you saved in. Is that what you mean? $25 viewers. Oh my god. Stuck in the options menu without being able to go back. That should hopefully be fixed because I kind of remade the options menu. Okay, I still don't understand why this is not working. Maybe I just need another image that is smaller. Why is there sprite on this? Okay. What are we doing? There's no sprite. What? How? Why is it brown? Oh. Since when? Okay. I don't understand is, look, these are not like stretched at all. It's even the same sprite. I don't know if that's just like breaking down when it's at such a like a small size, maybe. Oh, I should not be using the back button. Hold on. Okay. Cool. Still does not fix my problem. Take a look at this. It's just not stretched at all. Same thing. Just gonna make sure this works. What do y'all think of this current stage of Unreal Engine community-wise? State of dog milk, yo, weird. That's broken. values are not changing. Okay. Hold on. Cool. Hold on. Fuck, I keep hitting that button. No! Alright. Okay. Back to what we were doing. Ah! Right. Why is this stretched? It's using the same border as all the other buttons. Damn. Does this not get updated if it's like parented, I guess? No, that's still... Yeah, it's definitely still being sliced, right? Where is it? Oh, it's not. Okay, interesting. Okay, I've spent long enough on this. It's just gonna have a scale of 0. Whatever. pretty new on your channel. What type of workout you do? Yeah, dude. Dude, how'd you know? I am listening to Screaming and Farting compilation. That's why I was so worried about putting on music, because I wouldn't be able to listen to it as clearly. The streaming thing's hard, dude. Because I can't listen to my screaming, pooping, and farting compilation. Wait, actually, that shouldn't even have to be changed. Why is it not popping up? Come on, man. Ah. Cool. Why? God. Okay, this is so fucking. Yeah, I'm bored. I'm gonna give up again. Fuck this shit. Alright. Skip. Dialogue box prettier. Okay. That should be easy. Hopefully. Please. Gone from 26 viewers to 18. It's over. It's the worst content ever. Alright, this looks bad. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna throw a border on it, and hopefully. Dialogue. UI box. Please. There we go. Putting a border on it, and that's it. I'm moving on. That is a task done. Or not. Why? Why? Oh, okay. There we go. Cool. Is that even nicer? I don't know. Whatever. Sure. AWL should be able to one-hit kill everywhere. That should also be easy. I think right now it doesn't one-hit kill if it's like to the chest. Can do that. I'm pretty sure that's all I need to do. Dude, the thing is, pissing is actually a task. Or not for the player, but hold on. I want to add yeah, there it is. Like idle animations for the guys. I want to add peeing as one of them. I think that would be pretty cool. So you're not wrong. Predicted, yeah. I don't know if it should do all that. um mod support? Yeah, hopefully. Shouldn't be too hard. I mean, I've never made mod support, so I have no clue, but okay. Make a cursor in inventory UI global and hide the Windows cursor. Oh, it's another inventory thing. Ah. Okay, this shouldn't be that bad though. I don't even think that's what I'm trying to do. I think I'm just trying to show and hide the cursor. Yeah. Okay. Hey, nice. Okay. Issue is I need to Will you steal things from your other games on itch? I don't know. Probably not. I don't really think there is much else good to steal. Edge is that was actually just Partizan, but I reskinned it for a game jam. Bro, do you want to give me level design advice? I don't know. Shoot it in the chat, I guess. Whoa. Indian Jones. Why are you giving me $2? Get out of here. Thank you, Indian Jones. Like, will there be a Molotov? Probably. My grenade system's pretty flexible. I could just like add a new, like projectile type. Is there a way to just send a message? Oh, okay. Um. So the answer is no. I don't know. What I don't understand that request. Like, what do you want? Do you want me to hop on call with you while you like teach me level design? Hey, YouTube videos, man. Bro, I've been noticing his messages. I see your messages, man. I don't understand the the advice thing. I got YouTube videos to watch. All right, man. Dude, check this out. This line's so nice. I can make like, you know, like the like classic static cursor handler singleton instance or whatever, and then like on start you do like singleton is equal to this, and then for a public static one you do like that. You guys know this? Anyways, I have a system where I can just do this and it replaces all of that. It's super, super nice. So let me do this. How long did it take you to learn how to code? I mean, I've been doing this stuff for like 7 years. So like, yeah, maybe 7 years, but I feel like I wasn't like, you know, consistent and like good until maybe like 3 years ago. Like I said, I had to rewrite all of my code, so I think I've definitely gotten a little bit better. I don't know if this is like way overcomplicated. I think this is fine. It should work. KTO black hole, maybe. It's actually on my to-do list. Yeah, just like the game. By the way, could there be a music channel in Discord? Oh yeah, you know, it's actually not a bad idea. I feel like a lot of people are doing that in the show-off channel. Boom. Music channel is now there. Huge. Speedrun channel. Better Jenga. I wonder if speedrun channel is necessary now. I feel like. Yeah, sure. Just don't want so many channels that like all of them are dead. So I feel like they're already there, dead. But yeah, I'll do speedrun. Alright, what was I doing? Alright, that should be it. I feel like this is gonna be totally broken. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Oh, you know what? That's definitely a Unity thing because I keep pressing escape. Yeah, okay. I didn't spend a million years working on that. Will there be a bird that tries to steal your weapons like the raccoon? That would be kind of funny. Dude, I got one like response on the feedback form. I don't know if it was one of you. That like genuinely complained about the raccoon being like really annoying. Uh, like they wanted it removed. So I'm gonna keep it in. Maybe I should add the bird raccoon to make him even more upset. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, right, that was this. Okay, so now that I have this done, I should be able to go to Inventory UI. And there it is. This is stupid. Okay. They should definitely be in here. Ugh. God, you know, I get like embarrassed showing how bad the code is. My first playthrough, I didn't even know it existed. Yeah, I don't know how he was complaining that much. He could just run away from it. And yeah, it's not even that easy to find too. You should be able to just ignore it. Oh my god. Dude, I'm in a band, guys, and we're posting YouTube slop like shorts on our band channel as well, but we're getting just horrible comments. I don't know if, hold on. I don't know. Hold on. Check that out. Wait. Can you read that? I don't know if this can focus at all. Fuck, maybe not. Dude, we're posting YouTube slot. I do rhythm, electric, and vocals. Dude, there are people telling us that our parents should evaluate our career choices as if we're doing YouTube slop shorts. Totally could read that. Okay, wait, you're being sarcastic, right? We're being called garbage dumps for posting YouTube shorts. Yeah, and honestly, that's fair. Okay, I should develop the game. Look at how clean that is. Come on, guys. Up. Up. Rhythm is hell W. Dude, thank you. It is hell W. You live in Poland? Oh my god. I love Polish people. I'm Polish. Did you know that? What do you think of my username? Do you speak Polish? Oh fuck. That's an issue. I forgot this doesn't okay, wait. Should be fixable. What did I do? Oh yeah, okay. Pretty dialog box. Fix press enter for sensitivity option. ADO kill and cursor mode rewrites. Kind of nice. I know it's kind of going out of the screen a bit. Okay, maybe not that much. That. Yeah, that's good. All right. What was it doing? Right. The okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. Oh, you should Google Translate my name? That's not gonna work. Alright, where are we at? Alright. It's no good. Why? Why is this scaled down? God, should I just copy the scale over and not worry about it? Yeah? Okay, thanks. Oh, there we go. Fuck. No, never mind. Not there we go. Flying paper particles have collision Deus Ex. That's pretty sick. Oh, wait, that shouldn't be a tab. Damn, what the fuck? Ugh. Alright. How's it getting this? Do I dare do that? I don't really care. Whatever it'll have to do for now. Okay. Now the only issue is that it's appearing behind it. Nice. Okay, that's being disabled. Almost there. I think I just don't need to do that. Hey. Nice. Oh, that's really sick. Cool. Oh yeah, I think this is the biggest change I made so far. The UI is a lot smoother to work with. You weren't able to do this before. It would just like reset your object, which felt horrible. You could also like swap objects with just like numpad. Pretty cool. All right. Should make the movement more forgiving. Yeah. Yeah, it does need some touch-ups, I think. You're right. Man, I don't know how to. I don't do that. I think I made the wall run quite a bit better. I also added a clamber. I don't know if you guys seen this already, but you like go up to a wall and it'll just like go run up it and slide down a bit. And you go into the wall run and then like a thing. I think that should make it a bit easier. Did I know Ultra Kill? Yeah. Best indie game of all time, maybe? That's a lie. It's pretty good though. Okay. That's task done, dude. Boom. Oh yeah, you could also press escape to exit the thing. And there's so many people complaining that the inventory wasn't in the keybinds, which is my bad, but it is now. Also, I set it default to X because everybody was complaining about the I keybind. I think X is pretty good. You don't have to move your hand across the keyboard. And then I still have tab for this. Ugh, dude, I don't know why I didn't do the interactable thing. It's so good. What the fuck? Oh, I just dropped the the AK and it just disappeared. Oh. So just like flying off. Why? Okay. Interesting. Okay. That's definitely an issue. Weird. Alright, what's happening? You know Brink? Dude! What a fucking throwback. Damn. Yeah, I know Brink. Brink was so much fun. I used to play that when I was like, I don't know, like 14. I was really young. Before Brink shut down. That was a good ass game. Or maybe it wasn't. I think I had mixed reviews, but I remember really liking it as a kid. TF2 or Straft type. Yeah, I think they have Brink's still alive? Yeah, I thought the server was like fully shut down. X would work. It's a lot closer to knives. Yeah, I think X is good. You know, whatever. If you like, you could just change it back. But I think I'm gonna leave it default on X because I also kind of agree. I don't like going all the way across my keyboard to reach over for it. Okay, what's next? Let me think. What I want to do. I gotta go a little bit soon. Prince wall jump is honestly kind of peak. Yeah, I remember the wall running feeling pretty good. Oh, sorry. I completely forgot I was... I don't know why shooting Calhoun reminded me of this. I'm fixing this issue. Okay. Let's see. That's not what I'm supposed to do at all. Okay. How? Make your mic louder. Okay. Sure, it's ready. Like max loudness. So I might be able to add like a amplitude filter, maybe. Gain. Okay, hopefully I don't irate you guys up here. 5 decibels. Okay, is that good? Okay, is that good? Alright, should make movement more forgiving. Need some time to that. Sorry, but, okay. Irate you guys up here. 5 decibels. Okay, is that good? Okay. Okay, made it better. Okay. Let me know if that's too loud now. I'll turn it down maybe just a bit. Okay. Only after a couple seconds it shows. Yeah, that might be. I might be able to change that actually. Hold on. Yeah, delayed by 2 seconds. Delayed by 0. Okay, it should be better now. I think if I don't parent it to the arms, the issue is when you're sprinting or something, the chat should be back in a second. Hopefully. Yeah, okay, it's back now. Because now you don't have like the arm bob. If I parent it under the camera, maybe it's not important. Or you know what? I don't even need to use a holder transforms. This is stupid. I can just. front of you. Hard code some values, that should be fine. Delay's still here. I think that might just be like a, what? That might just be like a stream delay. I don't know if I can actually do anything about that. Oh. Here's the issue. Fuck, I don't even know if I need to do any of this. Okay. Wow. What are some must-have Unity plugins or packages? Okay, number one is hot reload. I will say this every single time. Yeah, YouTube delay, nothing can be done. Yeah, true, probably. Do I know Gloomwood? Yeah. Dude, I think one of the New Blood guys follows me, which is so cool. On Twitter. Yeah, get hot reload and what else? That's kind of it. Like, that's the main one that I use. I don't really use that many like assets. All the models are mine. Because the sounds aren't mine. Yeah, hot reload is number one. Alright, make sure that enemies are dropping weapons okay. Yeah, okay. Cool. Yo, weird. Neeblood's a goat. I think it's like one of the only publishers I'd maybe sign with. That maybe Devolver, but I don't think Partizan's good enough for either of them. Yo, actually, yeah, I don't think there are uh, any good ones. YTPs? YouTube poops? Is that what that acronym for? Exactly. Okay. Uh, I haven't watched a YouTube poop in a minute. Couldn't tell you. Do you know any? Should I rebrand and just start reacting to YouTube poops? Should that be my thing? I'm pretty sure I have to go pretty soon. Yeah, I do. Alright, guys. I think this might be stream over. It's been a blast. I don't feel like I got too much done, but that's okay. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. Quick, make your camera upside down. Serious, sure. Here we go. Holy shit. Oh! Just kidding, guys. It's just a prank. Don't worry. We're back. Alright. Thank you guys for hanging out. We'll cut this together tomorrow probably. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you for playing Partizan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, y'all. Somebody say bye. Somebody say bye. I'll leave. That's awkward. I'm gonna share a poll. All right. See you guys.